Today, highlights of Argentina versus Puerto Rico international friendly match 2025. In this match, Argentina won by 5 goals and Puerto Rico 0. If you the supporter of Argentina, then you must be watch this match fully. I hope that you feel very well to watch this match because of today Argentina performance is the always best than Puerto Rico and attack and fantastic play by Argentina. On the other hand, if you the supporter of Brazil, you must be shocked to watch this play. The national song of Puerto Rico. Un cielo siempre nítido le sirve de dosel y dan arrullos plácidos las olas a sus pies cuando a sus playas llegó Colón exclamó lleno de admiración. The start national song of Argentina. Libertad, libertad, libertad. Y del ruido de rotas cadenas ven el trono a la noble igualdad. After finish the national song, both teams, match will be start. The national songs will be finished. This is the today's scores of Argentina. Martinez, Montiel, তারপর ওডামেন্ডি, গঞ্জালেস, মেসি, now match will be start. That is the squad of Puerto Rico. Match start. Ball pass by Argentina. Pass again. Try to attack by single pass or short pass. Off pass but not goal. Again attack by Argentina. Short pass and move forward. Off. That is unconscious attack by Puerto Rico. Attack and shots. Ball pass by jersey number 11 and Messi clearly miss shots and not success and not done by goal by Messi. Again attack by Argentina and ball shots and goalkeeper save clearly but next time by head by Alistair and done by goal. Argentina on, Puerto Rico শূন্য. Clear goal and that is nice goal. Ball pass by Messi and shot and goal. Ball pass by Messi and shots by Montiel and clear goal. Goalkeeper not saved this ball clearly, and 2 goal done by Argentina. Argentina 2, Puerto Rico 0. 27-minute gun. Again attack, shots but not goal. Alistars. Free kick by Messi. Oh, safe and not goal. Again pass by Leo Messi. Attack and shots. Again pass Leo Messi. Heads and Pico pass, not done goal. Oh, finally goal done by Alistars. Super finish and super goal. Already Alistar 2 goals done in this match. That is the bad luck of Messi. He tried to score goal but not success. As again shots by Leo Messi, but ball not touch the goal bar and not goal. So after half times play will be start again. Pass and shots. Oh, no goal. Again attack by Argentina. Ball shots and goalkeeper not save the ball, and finally Argentina done 4 goals. Oh, again big shots by Leo Messi, Ankara Messi, Lautaro Messi, but goalkeeper saved the ball clearly. Today Messi's luck is very bad. He tried to score goal and shots again and again but not success. Oh, finally more goal again by Lautaro Martinez. Ball passed by Leo Messi, and finally goal scored by Lautaro Martinez. Today Lautaro Martinez scored now 1 goal. Again attack and goal. Ball passed by Leo Messi and clear by Lautaro Martinez. Super pass and super finish by Lautaro Martinez. Lautaro Martinez 2 goal dance in this match. That is very awesome and nice.